Road Trip Ready, Maintenance Tips for Highway Warriors. Today, I'm giving you 15 essential maintenance tips that every highway warrior should do before that next long-haul drive. This isn't just about making it to your destination. It's about arriving smoothly, safely, and stress-free. Let's get road trip ready. 1. Do a full torque check on your lug nuts. Long drives mean high speeds and hot wheels. Use a torque wrench to check your lug nuts are tightened to specification. Loose ones can rattle off. Tight ones can warp your rotors. 2. Reset your trip meter for fuel tracking. Before you hit the gas, reset your trip meter. It helps track mileage between fill-ups and spot early signs of fuel loss or engine issues. 3. Check for uneven tire wear across the tread. Highway driving puts more wear on the shoulders of your tires. Run your hand across the surface. If it feels rough or uneven, rotate or replace them before hitting 70 miles per hour for hours. 4. Fill up your washer fluid with a bug mix additive. High-speed bug splatter is real. Use a windshield fluid additive made to break down insect guts, because regular fluid won't cut it at 75 miles per hour. 5. Check for heat shield rattles underneath. That annoying highway rattle? It's probably a loose heat shield under your car. Tap around gently with a rubber mallet. If it's loose, secure it with a metal zip tie or clamp before you leave. 6. Check fuel cap O-ring for cracks. A damaged fuel cap seal can cause vapor leaks and affect highway fuel economy. Inspect the rubber ring underneath. If it's cracked, replace the cap. 7. Adjust tire pressure for highway load and speed. For long-distance travel, you want your tires at the high end of their recommended PSI. It helps with fuel economy, stability, and blowout prevention. 8. Check AC filter for road dust buildup. Your cabin filter traps tons of road dust and exhaust particles. If your AC smells musty or blows weak, replace the filter for fresher air and better airflow. 9. Inspect fuel lines for sweat or surface leaks. Give your fuel lines a quick inspection, especially near the engine bay. Any sweating, dampness, or soft rubber is a big red flag before a long drive. 10. Replace windshield wiper blades with high-speed grade. At highway speed, cheap wipers start to flutter and smear. Upgrade to Aero Design or beam-style blades built to hug the windshield tight, even at 80 miles per hour. 11th. Check your motor mounts for excessive vibration. If your car rattles on startup or when accelerating, it might be loose or worn motor mounts. Long trips can make it worse. Fix it now for a smoother, safer ride. 12th. Inspect the exhaust system for leaks or hanging sections. A loose or cracked exhaust pipe can get worse over miles of highway vibration. Look for visible gaps, rust, or dangling parts underneath before hitting the road. 13. Balance and align your tires. Vibrations at speed often mean tires are out of balance or misaligned. Get them checked before your steering wheel shakes all the way to your destination. 14. Pack a tire patch kit and gloves, not just a spare. If your spare's flat or you get a sidewall puncture, a patch kit with plugs and gloves can get you moving again fast. No service station required. 15. Recalibrate your tire sensors. If you've rotated recently, after tire rotations, TPMS sensors may misreport pressure. Check your owner's manual or reset via onboard settings to avoid false alerts mid-trip. And there you go. 15 smart tips to get your car road trip ready and highway approved. Because when the miles stretch long, preparation is everything. Be sure to check the description below for my top recommended tools and resources. If you enjoy this video, make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and if you don't want to wait for my next video to come out, Check out this one on the screen. Comment below with your next travel destination. Like this video if you picked up a new trick. Subscribe for more DIY car tips and long-haul hacks every single week. Until then, keep the wheels turning.